And we're back. Former Department of National Defense Secretary Norberto Gonzales said that the biggest problem of Vice President Sara Duterte's critics is her popularity, meaning they themselves are not known to the Filipino people. As a result, he noted that allies and friends of President Bongbong Marcos are gradually shifting their positions. Almar Forzuelo reports.
Ang problema nilang malaki, ay mukhang si Vice President Sara ay mukhang kaya silang talunin.
This is how former Department of National Defense Secretary Norberto Gonzales describes the current situation of Vice President Sara Duterte and her critics. Gonzales made a statement amid what appears to be relentless political attacks by the current administration's camp against the Vice President. In an exclusive interview with SMNI News, the former secretary explained that VP Sara's critics already want to win the 2028 elections, which is why they are attempting to defeat her as early as now. However, the biggest challenge facing Inday Sara's opponents, according to Gonzales, is her popularity, as they themselves are not known to the Filipino people.
Pilit nila, talunin na ngayon tanggalin nila siya. Gusto talaga nilang manalo sa 2028. Ang nakikita siguro nila, they're so unpopular.
Gonzales added that filing an impeachment complaint against President Bongbong Marcos Jr. and eventually abandoning him is what they see as a solution to gain the support of the public.
Kaya nagsisimula na sila ng kilos na para bang humikiling na sila sa popular na sentimiento ng sambayanan.
Meanwhile, Gonzales believes that history shows that no matter how financially well supported a president's allies may be, there will come a time when he can be removed from office.
Panahon ni Marcos Sr., hindi natin masasabing hindi busog ang birokrasya, hindi busog yung mga korona niya, busog pati ang armed forces, police, lahat yan, busog yan. Bakit natanggal pa rin siya? Kasi may hangganan ng pera.
Gonzales then delivered this message to the Filipino people.
Huwag tayo matakot sa mga nagsasabi na kapag tinanggal ang Pangulo, magkakagulo. Hindi totoo yan. Kasi baka mas maganda ang papalit. Di ba? Hindi natin alam yan Hindi totoo na kapag karoon ng mga aksyon na nagsasabi na pagbabago, magkakagulo ang bayan. Hindi totoo yan. May kasaysayan tayo na nakita natin na kaya nating baguhin ng total ang ating gobyerno nang walang gulong nangyayari. Peaceful tayo
For God and my beloved Philippines, Almar Forzuelo, SMNI News.